up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a flag right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
Some of G's, my there, I'm just a bill and the vlog yet, when you see how the vlog yet start already, just cool and calm. But more showing you something with the power of editing and why me love edit. You know what I mean? Me know it's weird for me just start the vlog and jump into something like this, but the power of editing, you don't really understand it. Me soon more while you say, yo, famous, you're bad pan your acting and you're pan this, which me appreciate and me respect and blessings and all of them something there, but you know the power of editing. All of people don't know the power of editing. And me personally love editing more than acting. You know what I mean? It might sound weird to all of people, but acting, me prefer editing video over acting video. Some would rather just do be a video and edit them than in the video them act. You know what I mean? That sound weird to all of people because I know to see me act all of my life. You know what I mean? So yeah, but me prefer that. Alright. Me I go just turn this right here so now in a movie scene. For just showing you the power of acting and how fun it is. Alright. I'm going to change the color of the video right now so it look like a, more of a movie. Yeah. Boom. Alright, you see that now? You see how it have a more movie look now? All me have to do now, you know how movie look when them put the, like, the screen kind of cut in away. To make it look stretch out, it's called letterbox. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna add that to this now. It's gonna look more like a movie again. See? Letterbox. Now it'll look more and more like a movie. All me have to really do now, I just control my pace when me talk, and it'll go sound like a real. It's like it's a script. With music, if me supposed to, you see everything I'm do now, if me supposed to add music to that, like an instrumental or a beat to it, and just set up a word, it just gonna look like, say, yo, it's really a scene. You know what I mean? It'll look like me actually there, I do a scene. Show no me I talk about. Me go find an instrumental, add it to this, and just play out the part, yeah. So hold on there. Y'all try tell me say the man them running at the house and take for my tool and the whole under the inner the house and no man not do nothing. And that you not tell me right now, right? So no man not talk, dog. Oh no man not talk, me ask no question, brother. The man them running at the house, right? And take for my things them. And no man not do nothing. Alright. You know what I mean? It's like add music to that, effect to that just sound nice. Alright. Right now me go change the whole feel of the video again. So me can change the color of the video look right now. Me go switch it. Alright, see, it look more like a cooler video now. All me need to do, I just slow down my pace now. And, you know, just talk smoother. And mother add a sweeter instrumental to it. So you see like how they beat the liquid, mother just add like a nice little cool lovey-dovey instrumental to this. And just smooth it down, you know, like. Alright, same letterbox. Everything, this is a different scene again, different type of music, and slow down how me talk and just make it more smooth and it become a new set. Sure. So yeah, I say Oh no, alright, let me tell you what going on. You see, the thing is, no, babes, hear me I say. The thing is, remember, you know, last week, me and you the plan to do all of this, you know, so this come up right now, trust me. Baby, trust me, you know how me I hear things said already, and you know someone really do this. You know what I mean? Thing is, PS, are much as music and all the video edited, and just wanna look, wanna see, and wanna hear, cause that's all. You know what I mean? It's a video and I watch, so it's the prettier the visual is, and the more appealing it is to know, and the clearer on I hear, the more sound, the easier it is to know, cause it's just basically what me I tell you say is editing is my first choice over acting. And why me I say all of this because the last short film we do with Chabas, all the people are commenting and I say, yo, Famous a bad actor. I mean every video we do people normally say it, but people are say, yo, Famous a bad actor, Famous a this you feel do acting more. The truth is I'm not acting me want to, you know what I mean? So I just editing, me love it. It's nicer to me for just write a script, just create a story, just out of nowhere, just create a story. Remember, you know, that is what we do basically, you know, just create a story and we add life to each character we create. So Chaba said I come up with somebody like, you know, say, alright, the youth name Timmy, and Timmy I go over here so, and Timmy do this, you know what I mean? So it'll be something like that, and then at the end of the day, Chaba said that's alright. Famous I go play Timmy now, so bringing life to the character, then everybody there on set, you just shoot, be a piece, you shoot this, more while the actors them even know what go on, because they must say, oh, this is gonna make sense. So when they done edit, they must say, oh damn, so the storyteller or it looks sweet. So and that me like for do. Me like for bring that more than being on film, like, you know. So acting would that they probably some up on the list, but number one the editing and directing says behind the scenes. You know what I mean? Today vlog it different. Well, I won't even call this a vlog because this is definitely not a vlog. It's just me on a bill. You know what I mean? So tomorrow I probably do a oh yo the vlog this just all over the place. How me start off, how me did that, so me did this, so me did this. So this we just gonna call this. Me no know what to call this. I say name me no know what to call this. Because me actually don't know what to call this, because when me there me just a chat. But I mean I wanna chat, you know what I mean? So when the video is done, you just go in the comment section and chat back. Yeah, but I probably do a reaction video later. I probably do it now and edit it so I can post it later or tomorrow. Make a vlog today because today Monday Ricky is supposed to link me later. We are got the jail. You know what I mean? A long time in a run pan day, yeah. So we are got jail later. Lucian supposed to forward over. I think a couple of video drop this week. I want to do a short film. I actually write it out already. I can tell you the cast. It's gonna be Lucian, me, Trabas, and Deli. You know what I mean? So I just a 4 away in there. Me, Lucian, Trabas, and Deli. That are the cast I have for the short film I write. I plan to do that tomorrow because today we got jail later, so we cancel that out for today and I try shoot a couple video for today for off. So yeah, short film come this week definitely. Couple music video come this week definitely. Wanna just I gotta see couple things drop this week. Yeah, we have whole thing in the work. Just remember, you know, every time we see we do something. You know what I mean? Every time when you see we, alright, that's how we did that do. But you see if you don't see we a post, just know so something we a do, what we are gonna post. So we're not gonna see we regardless. You know what I mean? But yeah, but they just want to come share that with you know, say editing are the #1 thing, acting on the list, I don't know which part on the list acting there. But it in the top 5 on my list of things that me enjoy doing where I don't mind make it work, you know what I mean? Cause what we are do actually right now, we are do vlog, but that a full work, so we work that, you know what I mean? So yeah, blessings and respect again to all of my G's them. Hope it if we come out and watch a video in a day, yeah. I don't know if me upload this in a day. Me edit this, so me actually have to put up this later. So I'm probably see this in the evening towards the night, because as you see me I tell you me got sounds, me got color. So all of that have to render, so the video gonna take a while to save. But yeah, blessings and respect to everybody who come out and support the thing, you know what I mean? Remember, go into the comment section and just big up my G's them. Mad move. Up it, no pity.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God them make me glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.